How to use HelloFresh gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use HelloFresh gift card. So for that, what you want to do is open the HelloFresh app onto your device, log in. After you're logged into your account, make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that you've also updated the app to the latest version. Now to actually begin with, tap the profile at the very bottom of the page, scroll down and there you have gift card. So basically this is the page where you could go ahead and redeem your gift card. So here you would either go ahead and buy a gift card or redeem. Since you're going to redeem, so select redeem gift card. You can then enter the code that could be either clickable redeem or maybe a 16-digit number that's on the card, and you just have to enter it and select the redeem, and that is how you will be able to use HelloFresh redeem or a HelloFresh gift card. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, you might want to contact support. Let them know about it as well.